Let's go over a couple of scenarios that may require troubleshooting on the Epson C4000u printer. If your printer isn't detecting your Fanfold stock, or it's showing the wrong size, follow these steps for Windows. First, let's make sure the printer driver has the right size settings. To do so, click the Windows Start button, then go to Settings. Next, click Bluetooth and Devices, then Printers and Scanners. Select your Epson C4000u printer from the list, making sure it shows as ready. Next, navigate to Printing Preferences. In the General tab, adjust the settings to match the size of your Fanfold stock. Refer to the Quick Start guide if you need help finding the right settings. If your printer isn't detecting your Fanfold stock, or it's showing the wrong size, follow these steps for Mac. Ensure you are using the Microsoft Word template that matches the size of the paper stock you are using. Now we'll calibrate the printer. On the printer's control panel, navigate to the Menu button, then press OK. Next, select Maintenance and press OK. Then choose Calibration and press OK again. Finally, select Simple Media Detect and press OK. Once the calibration is complete, your printer should recognize the Fanfold stock and print correctly. If you are getting a paper jam error when using Fanfold stock, try these steps. First, completely open both the front and back covers of the printer. Check for any stuck labels or name tags, especially around the paper path, and remove them. Next, reseat the Fanfold stock in the printer. Once the name tag stock has been reseated, close both covers. Finally, press the pause button to unpause the printer and restart the print job.